No, 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 no. Ah. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so today I am going to go to your strategy. In this case is the Ersinator Strategy. And then so I will be gathering that from our scene guy that will tell me how he wants his strategy to be done to be called that. But first of all I'm going to edit the blade so that we can work on his strategy. Right now, and I'm going to use the curry stride to see as the blade sort of so. What they want to do right now is to create and the script, and then we will see if it's a be script. So let me ask question. Guess a movie in our age that's nice. Ah. Okay, so he's easy, and our moving average, so that means that this is a script, because we will be paying then on the main chart. Okay, sir. Let's add Doom. Like that. And some yes, so what we want to do is to copy the signal tutorial. At the moment. Single tutorial with risk management, we want to copy it into Ersinator. And this is going to be Ersinator Classic. Spine. So let me see how the way and do this. So this is going to be I'm not sure. They want to put my name here. So this is us, and Nader based on singulate the tutorial with risk management. Okay. For now I want to open the script. So let me find it in my other screen. I got. One still open it here, so the next thing that we want to do is to use the proper name. So first, we're going to date the date. Oh, this is going to be like this, and so I made them amen. That's 3 years this. This is. I've seen a tour. A one. And. A one, or seen 8 buck. I'm less a cuff. Oh wait the moment so. Let's see what we have here. Okay I'm. So this is Ersinator. So. Let's save this change. Use proper, or Ersinator, or name. So the next thing that they want to know is fare, and time for him. So let's see, if I can ask him. Oh, let's go into the shot. Hi, so the first question for you is which is the pair, and which is the time frame gay, which fare? And time frame for the strategy. So. I made mine. So what we want to do is to remove this step. Now Larry will see what's. Let's see if I can open this chant in another. Yay, now I have the chat so that they can receive the answers. Oh. Okay. It seems that it's not that to have an answer from, and ever seen, so I have. Yay, I mean. Okay, so we're going to make the question again. Is it this strategy meant to work with beat these C? Here's the T. Okay, so we have 1 hour time frame. And now we need the Paraska, the D is a bear. Yes, it is okay, so we have the C, and 1 hour time frame, so the next thing that we need this. To know if it's futures or a spot, but this is for later. So let's break down this stuff. So this is meant BTC. and them so. So now, we want to save this change. And we will say that show that the strategy needs to be used in 1 hour. Okay. So the next thing is to have tried displaying how the strategy works. So okay, we have an answer, so this is for futures. And then how the strategy works we will explain later. So yeah, so we will explain it later. So the next thing that they want to do is to apply some settings from query, so that the okay, so how their strategy works. Explanation. Neither on, and the commit. Okay, so right now I want to add some stuff from query, and that I think I will net. Okay. And then let's do it. I have like this. And so, because I have this template, but the template is for beginners, so the version. Strategy game the name, so we want an integration so that it works also in the signal his side, because I always use it. I don't carry if ever seen once it or not. So I'm going to apply integration with a neat, then have this trailing take profit. We want it false right now, because this is something that it's always like that. We want 80 hour as the blast, because it's the thing that they use, bet that maybe our seeing will change it later. Game, so let's for later as the last time. Yes, a stop loss as the blood type. Normally they are okay, but so far we are going to turn it on, because that's the way that they work. And then add is the plus, multiply it by the full, this 150, and that's okay for us. So leverage up by the full this one, and I use 3 here, whether a recent is, so we are going to keep 1 as leverage. And some. So the risk management, so there's none risk management. And by the full we have the compound risk management, which is quite safe, so we will lay the rest for risk management. Game. Oh, that's another question. Risk management. Layla and I will last for by his sells more stuff, so we have the extra, we have some ace, so he's see a cinema, so we will release the is cold. He's not choose using liberates. He's 30. You're crazy man, okay? So let me check. Or so this is. We won the ammo with on the wind, and the X. Do you happen to use the eggs in this strategy? By any chance? Okay, and this is the lung condition will, which we are going to keep, and this is the blood, which we the meant. Then we have the conditions closing with, which we don't need to change, so far I think I'm going to do it like this. So we have a great integration. Trailing take profit is a false, okay, I'm a stop loss is a TR. Oh, this is. So this is A. Some common future settings. Not the R. No, the X I guess he means. Okay. So let's ask for stop loss and take profit, then all of this stuff. So that they can have. So take profits yes or no, a stop loss yes or no. And them yay. Ah. So now we are going to play with the settings. The main settings about the stop loss not. And see 100 points. They profit. Nance. To be a person each. The plus points. Okay. So stop loss is true. Take profit upper rolled apparently is take profit. They profit this 10% error. So let's set take profit to 10%. And stop loss is 5%. Okay, and it's constant apparently, so stop loss is constant. Okay. So risk management. So you risk 1% of your position on each trade. You risk everything on your trade. So let's do the say then switch, or take profit stop loss. Trailing break profit, which it's a false. That you also have break even bet them. I don't think he uses 2%. Okay, so 2% of risk, so that means that we're going to do a compound. Yay. So we're going to do a compound, because it's time, it's everything, but at the same time maximum loss per trade is 2%. Sir? I will keep the defaults in addition to 2%. As the maximum loss for a trade. So those are 6% maximum loss. But they 8% maximum loss. Awake. And 10% maximum loss per month. That means a few lost 6% in one day. The less than one day we wait knowledge they sealed you trade again. Care of this can be changed if you want to, so this is 2%. Okay. And I think we are all men, or we are not done, because we have the what's the name, we have the lower age, which is 30. Because Arsina's Gracie, where's the leverage thing gets here, right here. Okay. 30. Okay, so this should be, and futures already. Oh. Yay, that's right. And this is a webhook, this is signal is changed, so buy in, and say them care, and this is profit sharing, which is by default. Okay. So right now we have some live settings. So let me write them down. So that them on men. Or is this? Now. I can save this stuff. So thick as the plus was on array, I guess so. Okay, so Ersinator settings. Take profit. At them %. Where stop loss at minus. 5%. Well, yeah, it was constant the stop loss leverage. 30x, and maximum loss birth rate 2%. Okay, so right now I cannot this. And some common traders wait a second. Now that's not what they want to do. Oh wait that moment. Damn it. Did not want to do this. Damn it. Okay. Let's do it. The other way around. Think it's the same thing, so resonate their savings and may have their so. Do we have something else? Now. Okay. So right now. And we should be able to block the urban to implement the logic, okay. So and that's it. Time to implement logic. So he keeps saying stuff about the logic. So let's write it down. So I'm a 13 which? I guess this is an SME. As some A. Okay. So. And the 30 means as sent me with length. So the first thing that we want to do is to plot at the to show the AMA 13, which I think is an SMA, okay. And then so one thing that I'm going to do is to reuse the Korea strategy, which has this function. Somewhere. Yeah, okay, let me do it as the bus steps. So first of all we want the AMA, which I have here. Okay. So what they want to do is to keep the and A. And it should be somewhere around here, that's right. So either one the X functions, because we don't use them, so this is something like this, so let me check. Yeah, that's perfect. The next thing that we want the AMA settings, so I going to reuse the curry. And the AMA set the ends. Or somewhere. So yeah, so this is the main AMA, so I'm going to use that. And depth, so I'm going to use all of this stuff. and I will remove whatever X. It's not nearly so. Let me check whether have to apply so. The multiplier. Lesson name change. Okay. Needs. I want to remove all of this. I want to keep the main. Moving average, so there is no small thing, so I'm going to remove this. And this should not be change multipliers. I'm going to check. What the hell do we have here? So this is 1.5, so 1.5, because I don't want to modify it. Yay. I am assuming in that you don't the small with another as, and that the your s end. Okay, so now we have this SSIMA. So we need some Saturday, and so then it makes sense, so that is says that he wants, and as I may, so we have had their semi, and he also says that the length is a 13, so let's put 13 gay. So right now we have so this is here Ersinator take as many function from function functions and him. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do some stuff with this strategy is this other stuff that they didn't know about. Let's see. Okay, the D, so maybe he knows dear have in a script the strategy from someone else that implements gay the G. Which is and 5. Otherwise I'm going to search what the hell is skate, for example. Because we need to learn also. Whoa. Okay, so gay the team. I know. Care. How does it work? Okay. Three lies skiing gay the, for example. Some from the top chart. The same lines you will see when using the still got sick of so later, which is their errors I guess. The Gators edit maybe this is something by default. Okay, let me check their beloved men. So this is DC. Let's remove this back. Let's see. F. There's something visual that really man. Ah. Maybe this one, maybe this other one. Okay, so this is found on the bottom. Okay. Was the source code here? Be going wisdom. This is not version 5. And this is not bashing 5. What the hell is this? Those indicators are a bit special. A gallon, let's check more. Maybe this stuff. Why one has those indicators from those? Why is this so old? Gay here there isn't as threats to maybe. No why. I don't want to go that's in. Bochamp for again this is something so. Version 4. Okay, let's check the Bisham 4, and then. Was the version 4. The woods this one. Okay, so is this the same thing as the other ones? No, it is not. Why so a fire, if we find out? This is Grace. Maybe yeah, this is not the same 27. 9-3. The 9-3, is there more sense for this? So very up 9 set 9-3, let's see. No, it's the same thing, so I can use the for one. Okay, so now I'm going to write this. A stuff. Keep K the T. So I have S. Ah. This indicator is bullshit. Okay. Wait a moment, this is not the bush, and for isn't it? Wait a moment. This is patient voicing it, okay. M1. Okay. We don't know what the hell is this. Okay, let's see what they're going to. What can I do with this? So first of all we have two inputs. So this is. Let's search for go. So we're here. So this is from the team. So see, this is KD team he the T length. And this is 9 probably. Oh, the assists. Okay, the T length. And then you have the signal. Which I have no idea what means signal wages, sorry. So this is the signal. And then you have some stuff that we will use later. So wait, and one this. So far we have this. And now, like going to check for this stuff. That tough. I'm going to work on, so what we want to do is to though this stuff about. Oh, okay, the T. So I'm going to copy all of this. So let's see, so how long is the length? So it's the here. And the signal, in the name of the signal is I save. Which is here, okay, so I say, if I say. Okay, let's ask Arsine. So our scene says something about this stuff, which is gay, the T is positive by. Which line do you use for Chechimbibin. Which line do you use for was it the, if negative, value? Because there are 3 lies. So, there are 3 lines, which is BKBD, and BT so. Apparently. It's these 3 lines here, I have no idea which is the right one to choose. If it's screen it this positive, if it screens, but the yay but. Oh look at this background color, I think I am this then, so when background color is way, and then it's positive, okay, so let's see BTVD. And PDF, okay, so see close, oh my god. Ah. Ah. This is not funny. Shall I do this as a source, or not? I'm not sure. Okay, so skate for example, okay, so this is key the T. And middle one thing. This is gay the chief. So. KDT source, which is the close. But I'm not sure about this. So the next thing is. Yay. Age is KDT highest. Lee. Why not? So this is the T lowest. It man. I cannot do a function, because this depends from all data, isn't it? Baking one, yeah, this depends on that I cannot make a function, and mean I cannot think how to make a function, but maybe it can be then. So far I'm not going to the function, so RSB I'm not sure why the moment I'm, and sure why the what this yes. So. This is like this, and this seems to be something about something. PK. BK. I'm. If you want to. More staff DB the so high low PT. Feet the, and this is beat the. Yay. Where the hell of a gun? Oh, like this. Okay. We we are almost done, so this and says this might not be in. Highest slowest BT. Okay, let me check BT. Okay, so then this is spinal grade 5, so this is like this. Maybe, and there's something else, which I'm sure. So we cannot paint any of this, so we're going to test combinate. So what we want to do is yay. And miss save. So plot, we don't want this space. So I'm going to test this, and I will save it. So what they want to do is to add another stuff somewhere. Up for new strategy game. Oh. Want to copy all of this. Here. In a tour. Yay. I copy this twice for that it was easy to copy and paste. But that was not needed. Okay, so let's test this again. Where are you? Here. Okay. It works. So. I don't want this course here. So this is one thing that we're going to remove. We will add it later, if you want to. So. We don't choose this. For now. Now we're going to do like this. The calculus. Okay. So now invite the. So I guess that the. What conditions need to happen, and the same except bar, isn't it? So. What we want to do right now is. So. Let me check the conditions. Both. And 13. So, long condition means that the main function wage and going to steal from before from big classic from Korea I mean so Korea has some main which is here main and a game. So wait a second. Yes, so we have them main and a. What's the? Wow. Okay, surprise. Okay, let me. You mean long men's clothes? Men, and a. Some prices here. And K the T long the mains. Just the both okay. KD too long the means. What it means. Ah yes, so now we need the green stuff, which is here somewhere. Yeah, okay. We want green, which is this thing. And we want the other way around, if I'm not mistaken. So short means that them. Wait a moment, what's the? Below here, and they get the if cell, so that's right, so close this below, and a. And they assess the other way around. So that means that American to like this. This. It's the other way around negative, so mean it's read okay, so this should be quite easy to do. And shock dishing this. Oh, where are you my friend short? And short at the same time. So we have the main logic. And camp now. So the condition for the so this is a reverse. Do I have the right to reverse? This should be a reverse, by the question is if we should stop or not. Where is it? Yeah, this is reverse. Okay, so let me check, let me show you the exit conditions. Which are the following ones? Which is long, close is when is it's the short, and them. That's it, the added profit. Yeah, that's right, so the question is, apart from take profit and the stop loss and is there any other condition to exit? I already assumed that when you are in long's position and short condition find us up, then you need to accept the long condition and buy servers. Now there is no so are we then I think. Okay, so let me check. So we have the main, and then we have meme along, and so on. Main logic. So what else are we missing? Oh yeah. We might want to plot the main chart. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let me plot the strategy. So Curry should have some plot with them, and their main, and I guess somewhere. Where is this? Where are you? Wait a moment, didn't I choose 1 hour here in? No, I didn't. And want this to trade in 1 hour. Okay. Okay, so let's blood something here. Okay, we are going to use the and then the color from the stupid the gay the G, and that way I don't have to paint here. Here is other stuff. Okay, let me check. Where the hell is this? So here. So this is metamable now, this is not right. Yes, so what I want to do is to use this thing. Which shear scale, for example, on. Okay. I'm white the amen. Yeah. Do we want to? Bullet the main, and the color the KDDK the T. Think it's easier to plot okay the T1. They're like this. Yeah. We plot the strategy. So let's test this, and then I will bump the version. Let's see if I can add it to the chart as him so. This strategy is a very good strategy if you want to lose your money. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have our ink color. Wait the moment. So red color means. Why the hell does this paint the middle so great color means that we are in? In that green gave the D, and red color means that we are in that red gave the T. So, I look at that. Look at that, this is a nice trade, but that then you lose here again. Then you win again. But we're all new Louis. Okay. Okay, let me ask about the course. Is it okay? Faint then. She course, and main and or do you prefer? As squares with the friend. And green red colors. Of the bottom. I'm not sure. So, I can bride. And me show you. I can picture here are gay. It's okay. Okay. Can give it. Keep it that way. Okay, so we're done, so I'm. So now we need that bomb the version. Gala made sick. There's nothing else to do. Oh, this is like this. And this is like this. Okay. Oh. Bomb version 2 and damn it, what the hell is this? Why do I have here? Why do I have this here? Okay, so and scene made her a 2. Okay, so let's save this. And let's save this. Which is going to be into the video description. Now. Oh, why the hell do I have this here? Okay, so 3 then task. Here are you. I them are men. Yeah, you are. So you can click on row set that you can copy this in an easy manner. Okay, so let me check, where's the be there? Here. No. So. I have just updated the be there. So. And this is Sam. The be there says something. Okay. The really assessor in the video description says I like a scalper. So and chances to nurse. Like a scalper, okay. Well. So I should remind you that this video is a general market commentary. And this be the best not constituting investment advice, okay? So we could do be a script so that we paying down, but I don't think it's something useful, because you can use another. Indicator to do so, and then what you need to find is something that works, because as you can see sometimes it seems to work. Sometimes. It doesn't work, but maybe some settings so that it works, maybe the works in other. Time frames, look at this seems to work, soon fight him for hours, but then move somewhere here it doesn't work. And what about 1 day? Oh, now this is not right. We can try. And other stuff. What was 1 hour? Guess maybe this one, maybe 3 him, look at this. This strategy seems to work somehow with 30, because here we have down. So bait guy doesn't seem to be a good pair for this strategy. Maybe it's better a 30. A gap, so you have the strategy in the description. Ah, that's it. I think we're done. Let's ask our sim if we are missing something. I will tell him in private how to use the strategy somehow. Because it's not the same sections as Okay, let's see what Harrison says, and now we are then. Okay, you can find that the nation linking there, the script in the video description is you wanted the Nate ever seen. Okay, so we are finishing the be there, here we are, ending the be there here, so thank you for being there. And yet. So. Whereas them. Yeah, you are.